Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ayana Grace, and for today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. I am going to be unboxing this month's BOXYCHARM. Y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. Of course, I'm not popping enough for it to be sponsored, so it's not a sponsored video or ad or anything. But I did want to, record this video just because, BOXYCHARM is literally my biggest asset to just, not only just my YouTube and, being able to do different looks every week, but also just my life, because of course I love makeup and I love skincare, and I get this little, it's like Christmas every month with BOXYCHARM. And honestly, I am a regular 9-to-5 worker. I mean, I ain't there yet as far as making bank. So, and makeup is expensive, and when you're so obsessed with it and you so love it so much, you just want this and this and this, and you always want to try new stuff, but it's sometimes it's just not affordable. When you go and one palette is $30 or something like that. So I wanted to just show you guys my BOXYCHARM and why I love it so much. A lot of products that I use on my channel, some of my fan favorites, my Alamar Cosmetics blush trio, that was BOXYCHARM. A lot of those really expensive skincare products and stuff definitely came from BOXYCHARM, and those are things that I would have never ever tried if I didn't get it with that. I just really wanted to share this with you guys, and if you are a makeup junkie like me and you were interested in figuring out how you can build your collection, or if you're a skincare person or any hair care, all kinds of stuff, they have stuff for everyone. Just a little bit of background on BOXYCHARM. So BOXYCHARM, I have just the plain subscription. So this is $25 a month. I think it's $25 plus tax a month. You get 5 products with each box, and they're not I know I had some other makeup subscriptions Ipsy or some other stuff. You don't get little mini products. You get full size products, full size stuff that you would get from the store. In addition to it being full size products, they're also a really nice name brand products. I know one of my BOXYCHARM boxes was all Fenty. Sometimes I get a lot of nice palettes. I know my next video I am going to be using a BOXYCHARM. I got this recently in last month's BOXYCHARM, and just look at these beautiful colors. Look at the kind of stuff that it gives you, and it's just always just a really pleasant surprise when you do it. So like I said, it's $25 a month, and with every box, so this is month of March, and it's St. Patrick's Day or whatever. So with every box you get this inside, and basically this is a list of each product. It gives a mini description of each product, and then it gives it the retail price. So before I even open this box, I'm going to tell you that the total for this box of everything that's in here retails for $121. So what I did is I went on Ulta and Sephora's website and stuff, and I looked for these products and looked for what they were retail for, and the prices are dead on. So you're getting, for at least for this month, you're getting $121 worth of stuff for $25. I mean, that sold me immediately when I was getting Glam Glow and Kate Somerville and all these really expensive brands and stuff for $25. So let's get into it. So the box is like really plain. Nothing really exciting about it, but I just love, my face just lights up when I see this box. And then it opens up each month. Each month has its own little theme. It does come very well protected. It has this little foam in it. It's always in there. It always covers everything. I've never gotten a BOXYCHARM where my items are damaged. The only downside I will say about it is that it usually takes forever to ship. So it takes out your money at the beginning of the month, on the first of the month, every month, but it takes forever to get here. So like, you would think that this is coming from China and it's coming from like Kennesaw, Georgia or something. It's ridiculous. It takes forever. It used to just get here in like the middle of the month. Like, well, it kind of got here in the middle of the month this month too. But like last month in like January, I'm pretty sure it was like the very last day of the month that I got it. So that's a little frustrating, but it's worth it. The first item is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. I think this is so cute. I discover a lot of new brands when I do BOXYCHARM. Here's a description for this palette. This palette is filled with a rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps in richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. And this eyeshadow palette retails for $38. So, like I said before, this one palette costs more than I spent for the entire box. And another thing that I do like about BOXYCHARM is that they give you a little quiz and they kind of get your style. They get like, what do you like to, like, what kind of colors do you like to wear? What kind of eyeshadow palettes? What kind of lipstick? What, like, do you like, are you makeup heavy or are you skincare heavy or are you half and half? And do you want like hair care stuff and all this kind of stuff? So there's never a box with stuff that I don't want. Everything is always my color. It's always stuff that's flattering for my skin tone. And it's always stuff that like goes into my vanity and gets used. So this is the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. And I think this is just really adorable. It's a lot of warm color, soft warm color, brown colors and pinks and stuff. All right, so the next one is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. So I am super excited about this mascara. Let me read the description. So this creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. And this retails for $26. So, I am a Too Faced fan, period. Especially when it comes to mascaras. So, I started off with, like, the first actual expensive mascara that wasn't like a drugstore mascara that I ever bought was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it just literally just changed my life. That was like the best mascara I've ever had. And then I switched to the Too Faced Big Ego mascara, and like I love it. This is my go-to. You'll see this in like almost all of my videos. And so now I was actually about to go out and buy this mascara. I love the packaging. And like I've just heard so many good things about this mascara. And guess what? It's in my BOXYCHARM. I love that. So that means I don't have to go out and like spend my coins for stuff because I get it in my BOXYCHARM. And this is like, I consider this free because I got an eyeshadow palette that was worth $38. So I already got my money's worth of the box, and now I'm just thinking this as like I got a free mascara, right? Love that. So the Mavin Beauty Mavin Rose Water Setting Spray. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I think it's Mavin. Set your intentions and your makeup with this oil lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. And this retails for $22. I have never used this brand, but I am obsessed with rose water. I actively have rose water in my skincare routine, so I'm a big fan of that. So I can't wait to try this. I am a Urban Decay girl. That's really the setting spray that I use, but I'm really excited about trying this because it has rose water in it. So I'm upset. I want to smell it. I'm sorry. And I like that, you know, it's very misty. It doesn't seem like it has a lot of droplets. That's the worst, when you like set your makeup and then you get like the droplets all on your face. Y'all know what I'm talking about. We here. Okay. The next product is the CAB. It's either CAB or KAB. I don't know. Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. Like all of my lip glosses and lip balms and stuff that I have gotten from BOXYCHARM are to die for. I'm all for like some juicy lips. I'm all for lip glosses and lip oils and stuff, mainly because you know, this is kind of like my everyday. You know, I don't really have on a lot of makeup. May throw some concealer on, some lip gloss, so I love this. I wonder, is it blue though? I'm a little concerned about the blue. I know it, you know, it goes on clear. It's not sticky at all. I really like that. And it does feel very moisturizing. I like this. What does it smell like? Is it like vanilla? I don't know. It smells really good though. I love that. I'm going to put it on top of my lip gloss just because I want to try it. Ooh. I like the way that feels. It feels like an oil. I like that. Okay. I'm a fan. Love this. So last but not least, we have the Lavish Wet Brush Cleaning System. A convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container. And this retails for $15. So I really like their brush cleaning things. So I got this one. I got this also from BOXYCHARM. It's a dry makeup brush cleaner. And this has literally been my saving grace, especially like when I'm in the middle of recording a video or I'm in the middle of doing my makeup and I like all my brushes are a mess, or I want to keep using the same brush and I can just like swipe this on or whatever. So I'm really excited to try this. It seems like it says it's a silicone scrubbing pad. I'm not really sure. Oh, there you go. There you go, guys. So it's like, it looks like kind of like a bar of soap for your brushes. So I'm pretty sure you just like wet it and you rub the brush on there and then you kind of like scrub it out with this. That's really nice, like especially if you're like on the go and you can't have like a brush wash day. You can just quickly wash the brushes. I can't wait to use this because y'all, the way I hate cleaning brushes. I would rather just buy new brushes than to clean them because it's so exhausting. And a lot of my like really nice brushes are destroyed because I left them in a bucket of water for like 2 days because I forgot about them and it was bad. Anyways, so that is my BOXYCHARM unboxing. I'm really excited to use these things. You guys, if you continue to watch my channel, you will see me use all of these probably. I'm also going to just start, you know, every time I do a video, I'm just going to mention, like, the things that I get from BOXYCHARM that are very useful, that I love so much. Because, guys, it really is, like, an amazing subscription. This is literally my biggest asset. This is the reason why I can make a different look every week on my YouTube channel, or I have a bathroom full of skincare stuff, is because I have this $25 a month subscription, and it's just like me saying, you know, I'm giving myself a $25 a month on like beauty products. It's a great way to save money. It's a great way not to go and spend $200 at Sephora. It's a great way, you know, to just try new things, find new brands, explore like a lot of new products that you wouldn't necessarily get. So I think it's a real asset. Now, I do still go into the store like to get my foundations and stuff like that. Stuff that like I don't trust anybody to try to guesstimate on. But like for the fun stuff like the palettes and the, you know, mascaras and all this other stuff, I think it's really, really great. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this inspired somebody to save some money and go get a BOXYCHARM subscription. I hope that, you know, it made you guys want to buy some of these new brands. I don't know. I just hope you liked the video. If you did like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, but only if you want to, no pressure. And as always, stay happy, healthy, and hydrated, and I will see you guys in my next video.